So camping here in the Pacific Northwest means tracking in a lot of dirt, mud, and snow. And I'm going to need to do something to protect my floor. So today I'm going to cut custom floor mats out of rubber sheet and fit it to the shape of my floor. So the first step is to sketch and measure the floor. So here's the rubber mat I'm using. It's 1/8 inch thick rubber sheet, and I've also got this edge trim I'm going to put around the edges just to dress it up a bit. These were both available from Amazon in a variety of sizes and thicknesses. Then it's time to cut the mat. I outline the shape of the mat with tape before cutting. Remember, measure twice and cut once. With the cut made, I did a quick check fit in the van, just to make sure I didn't screw up. Here I trimmed the corners to fit the floor contour at the sliding door. Finally, it's time to trim the edges. I use a self-adhesive trim, but first I'll dry fit it before removing the adhesive backing. To make inside corners, just snip the flanges of the trim, but not through the web. To make outside corners, cut 45-degree notches in the flanges, but not through the web. Once I have all of the edges trimmed and fitted, I just pull the adhesive backing out. Finally, we can install the mat in the van. A bit tricky tucking it under the sliding seat, but it all fits. I left this short edge near the door untrimmed to make it easier to sweep dirt out. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. Everything looks clean and tidy. If you find this helpful, be sure to check out my Delica van conversion playlist.